Alright, let's move on to building our website. I will start by creating the header, the top section of the site that will appear across all pages. First, I need to add a menu which will be displayed on every page on the site. I'm going to select all the sub-pages we created earlier and arrange them in the order I want them to appear. Now, just a quick note. You can add more than just pages to your menu. Posts, custom links, and even categories. And yes, you can nest items inside each other to create a drop-down submenu if needed. It's a good moment to pause here because not all options are visible by default in the left sidebar. To access them, just click Screen Options at the top and check boxes for the elements you want to make available for the menu. If you're planning to build an online store, you will eventually see a Shop Categories option appear here as well. That allows you to include product categories in the menu. Right now, it's not visible, and that's because we haven't installed an e-commerce plugin yet, like WooCommerce for example. Now, I will save the menu and jump over to the front end to make sure everything appears in the correct order, just the way I set it up.